Thank you for staying with KTN Prime. Let's now take you to the United Nations General Assembly, where Kenya's President Uhuru Kenyatta and his Nigerian counterpart Muhammadu Bohari are asking the international community for assistance in fighting terror. They spoke at the United Nations General Assembly in New York, where Zimbabwean President Robert Mugabe cautioned the West against imposing gayism on Africa.
We'll continue to work closely with the Somali National Army, but despite the threat posed by Al-Shabaab on Kenya, we will continue to stand firm in support of the Somali government and the people of Somalia. Kenya therefore calls on the international community to support the federal government of Somalia in securing its territory. The crisis in South Sudan remains an issue of great concern, not only to Kenya, but the IGAD region, as well as the larger international community. Kenya welcomes the recently signed peace treaty and calls upon both parties to seek a peaceful solution to the conflict, and urges the international community, especially the United Nations, to support the IGAD Plus process and other initiatives geared towards the realization of comprehensive, just, and sustainable peace in South Sudan through the enforcement of the peace and security arrangements, support for the institutions of governance and democracy.
Boko Haram's war against the people of Nigeria, Chad, Niger, and Cameroon may not attract as much worldwide attention as the wars in the Middle East, but the suffering is just as great and the human cost is equally high. This is a war about values, between progress and chaos, between democracy and the rule of law. Boko Haram celebrates violence against the weak and the innocent, and deplorably they hide behind their perverted interpretation of Islam.
We equally reject attempts to prescribe new rights that are contrary to our values, norms, traditions, and beliefs. We are not gays. Cooperation and respect for each other will advance the cause of human rights worldwide. Confrontation, vilification, and double standards will not.